back in that kitchen, rattling pots and pans. I did get back in that kitchen, rattling pots and pans. Oh, getting my breakfast cooking, I'm a hungry man. I did get back in that kitchen, rattling pots and pans. Whoa, get back in that kitchen, rattling pots and pans. Oh, getting my breakfast cooking, I'm a hungry man. I did shake, rattle and roll, shake, rattle and roll, shake, rattle and roll, shake, rattle and roll. Oh, you don't do nothing, kill that doggone flu. It's like a one-eyed cat peeking in a seafood store. Like a one-eyed cat peeking in the seafood store. Oh, it don't do nothing, kill that doggone soul. Oh, everything said shake, rattle and roll, shake, rattle and roll, shake, rattle and roll, shake, rattle and roll. Oh, don't do nothing, kill that doggone soul. Oh, shake it, boy. Oh, baby, when you wear that dress, sun comes shining through. When you wear that dress, sun comes shining through. Oh, woman, I just don't know what I'm gonna do with you. Come on, Carmine.
So we had the drummer was running away from the drummer. And Jerry looked at me and said, the bass drum is leaving. So I had to turn my butt to the stage, I'm sorry, and push the sucker back in there. Well, he's got a pretty heavy foot, this guy, so we haven't had that problem until he shows up. You know.
Hey, do you mind
line up on the foot?
Do you mind playing the rest of the show with your foot just kind of hold
sit
the?
on it.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm sporting my 335 Gibson that I bought. I was, I think, 17 or 18, 1962.
It had to cost more than that.
It cost a little bit back then. A friend of mine bought this, and he had it about a year. He bought it, I think, in 61, and he had it till about 62, and he never played it. He was a good friend of mine. He said, you know, I thought I was going to learn to play guitar. He had a lot of money, so his first guitar he ever bought was this. This is what he wanted to learn on. So he heading in the right direction. His name was John Myers, a good friend of mine to this day. And he said, you know, you want to buy it? I said, okay. He said, just give me what I paid for it. I said, well, he said, $350. And that's what I paid for it. I had it ever since. And I hardly ever play it, but I'm going to play it today. It's kind of a different animal, you know, versus my telly. So, Gary, how'd the week go? Decent?
Very decent week. Very, very decent. I love the weather. I get up, I look at my phone, I say weather, and it says cloudy.
Oh, yeah.
60, 38 degrees. I walk outside and the sun's out, and it's like I got 4 coats on, and I'm
Yeah,
taking them all off.
you're sweaty. It's been pretty good. It rained a lot the last few weeks, but it hasn't been too bad. Dan, how you doing? I always like to say hi to the boys in the band before we start the show.
Oh, boys on the band.
It's all right.
Well, I didn't understand that. What?
It's all right.
Okay, good. Still didn't understand it. But anyway, I'll assume it was something real clever.
Well,
Okay.
introduce
Tell
the
him,
drummer.
tell him what I said.
Jerry. Now,
Yes,
Jerry,
sir.
Jerry's the original drummer since we started Carmine's Country Corner. He was the first drummer I called and said, I'm going to try to do this little show. And he said, I'm in. He and Paul Marshall and Gary Swan were the very first guys I called, and that was the band. And then since then it's grown. We've brought other people in and out. And Jerry left us, what, about a year ago, a year and a half?
Yeah.
Like that? And he left his drum set. This is actually his drum set. We play it every week. So Jerry really never quit the band. He kind of left his stuff here, and we love
I've been subbing.
Oh, all you drummers out there, too, that have worked this show, like, of course, Dan Palmer, Chris Ross, Lynn Coulter. Don't get any funny ideas because Jerry's using a cymbal tonight. And
That's-
you know
that's
how
generally
I
a
am
violation.
about harmonicas and cymbals. So anyway, keep them away from me. But you know what? It sounds great. It's a
Carmine.
nice change. What
Carmine.
did I hit?
Wait a
Next
minute.
day.
Hey, wait a minute. You got distracted and didn't
did.
ask me how my week was.
How was it? I'm sorry.
Any better? I'd think it was a setup.
Big.
I got a chance to use a Carmine Sarda line
that's a
right
good
on him,
line.
right there.
Okay, so we're going to do another song. So, Jerry, you want to do something now and we'll go back
Yeah,
and
let's
forth?
do a little rock and roll in G by the funniest man in show business, Mr. Chuckles Berry.
Chuckleberry, I like it.
1, 2, oh, 1, 2, 3, oh. Oh, I like that Johnny Johnson piano. Left my home in Norfolk, Virginia, California on my mind. Straddled at a Greyhound, rolling out a roadie on across Caroline. Stopped in Charlotte, bypassed Rocky Land, I never was a minute late. 90 miles out of Atlanta by sundown, rolling across Georgia State. We had a little trouble, turned into a struggle, away across Alabama. The hound broke down, left us all stranded in downtown Birmingham. Oh yeah. Straight away I bought me a through train ticket right across Mississippi clean. On that midnight flyer out of Birmingham, smoking into New Orleans. Somebody me get to Houston town. There's people there who care a little about me, and they won't let the poor boy down. Sure as you're born, made by meal suit, put luggage in my hand. I woke up high over Albuquerque on a jet to the promised land. Oh, Carmen, that's too good. Do it again, do it again. Working on a T-bone steak, a la carte, headed over to the Golden State. The pilot told me in 13 minutes we'd be headed for the terminal gate. A swing low Sherry, calm down easy, taxi to the terminal zone. Cut your engines, cool your jets, and let me make it to the telephone. Los Angeles, give me Norfolk, Virginia, Tidewater, 1409. Tell the folks back home this is the promised land calling, and the poor boys on the line. All right, Dan, I'm going to need a little more juice on my thingy there.
Okay.
A lot more, because nobody could hear my cues.
Yeah, well, you know, close enough. Sounds good. Turn it up, though, if you need it. And
Oh, yeah.
I hope
Give me
it
what you,
sounds
give me
okay.
give me what you got.
Give me what you got.
Oh.
As long as it doesn't feedback. We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and my wife Susie came today, and that was nice. We thought Jan was going to be here, but you know, Nellie came with the little doggy, and Dr. Kathy and Dr. Teresa, and I always forget the other lady's name. I know you're going to end up hating me for this. Colleen is here,
Carlene Cash.
I
and my
got plenty of patience.
my lovely
but I'm no
daughter Kim,
doctor.
and Brandon's in the background. You can always hear him talking. You know, Brandon's such a special little boy that he just gets to do what he gets to do what he wants. We don't. The show is second to Brandon. That's right. Then it's the show. Okay, so that's the way it is. But we love Brandon. He's a wonderful. He just started playing baseball. Unbelievable. We're gonna go to the games, and with this guy, he's gonna be good. Okay, you got one, Gary?
Gee. Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heart ache. But today I started loving you again. What a fool I was, think I'd get by with only these few million tears I cried. I should have known worse yet to come. Crying time for me had just begun. I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heart ache. But today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I really always been. 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 I'm right back where
Try it.
Play it again. Now you can sing.
I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heartache mend. Today I started loving you again. Today I started loving you again.
So Barney Kessel, when I was 15 years old, said, when you end the song, take your finger and go. And so that's what I do. Nobody else knows
He
that.
did not say
He did too. He did too. Not every song.
gonna ask
He
him.
just showed me a thing to do. I didn't say like on every song.
I'm going to ask him.
Talking to the mic so people can
When
hear
I
what
see
you're going to
him-
ask them.
When I see Barney tomorrow at the Der Wiener Schnitzel, I'm going to
said-
ask him.
Wait a minute, you said Barney Fife?
If you watch enough of his videos, you'll see him do that. He was so good. He's so quick. He was like so good at that. Anyway, I can't do it like him, but
I didn't know Barney. I knew Barney Fife played harmonica.
yes, he did. Bob Smith Toyota, Carmine's Country Corner. Put the subscribe button, and the like button, and the share button. That's all I know. That's all I heard. So, Jerry, you want to do another one?
Why, sure I do.
Let's do it. Hey, what have you been doing? Where you working up there in Ventura right now?
Every Tuesday night at a place called The Twist.
Oh,
downtown,
that's where we had the
where we
party
did
for
the big
Albert.
party for Albert.
Well, I'll come up there sometime
Every
then and have
Tuesday.
dinner with Susie, and we'll hang out.
We did the Copa for like almost 10 years.
I remember I come up there a few times.
Yeah,
saw
and
you.
then
Fabulous.
Hey, I got
we
fired
moved it
from
to
that gig,
Twist.
remember?
That's right, I remember. You've been barred from a lot of gigs.
I've been fired from all of his gigs.
We all been fired one time
You know
or
what?
another.
He saved me the trouble of being fired by not hiring me anymore. It's
You
really
want to pull
worked
that
out.
drum back a little further yet? Well, you're between songs would be a good idea.
Now that
Okay.
I'm thinking about it, let it slide.
What are we doing, Jerry?
I'm going to do a little something called Mama Tried in D. I don't know if you've ever heard it before, but I'm going to do it with kind of a rock and roll straight ahead beat because that's the way I roll.
Well, he's not playing it.
You
like that.
played it great. Play
Did
it.
it? No, I hate the way I played. Okay, I'll do it. Key of D, right?
1, 2, oh, 1, 2, 3, oh. First thing I remember knowing was a lonesome whistle blowing and a youngin's dream of growing up to ride on a freight train leaving town, not knowing where I'm bound. No one could steer me right, but Mama tried. One and only rebel child from a family meek and mild. Mama seemed to know what lay in store. In spite of all my Sunday learning, toward the bad I kept on turning, till Mama couldn't hold me anymore. And I turned 21 in prison, doing life without parole. No one could steer me right, but Mama tried, Mama tried, Mama tried to raise me better, but her pleading I denied. That leaves only me to blame, 'cause Mama tried. Ah, Gary! Dear old daddy, rest his soul, left my mom a heavy load. Tried so very hard to fill his shoes, working hours without rest, wanted me to have the best. She tried to raise me right, but I refused. And I turned 21 in prison, doing life without parole. Steer me right, but Mama tried, Mama tried, Mama tried to raise me better, but her pleading I denied, and that leaves only me to blame, 'cause Mama tried. Oh, get up, Carmen. That leaves only me to blame, 'cause Mama tried. Hold on, I want you to get the ending. I want you to get the ending. Thank you very much.
I always forget that ending. What do you got, Susie? Ann Gilbo? Oh, Ann, we love you. Now, she's going to Hawaii. This Wednesday, Ann is going to go see her grandson and beautiful baby, great-grandbaby. Her great-grandbaby, right? Huh? Yeah, I got to talk louder. Okay. Now I can hear you. Good. Anyway, she's going to, Ann, we love you. Now, Ann, Gib Gilbo was Ann's husband, and he was a great songwriter, and he traveled the whole world with the Burrito Brothers and Linda Ronstadt, Al Guthrie, wrote songs. People like Chris Christopherson, who is not a bad writer, right?
He's done one or two. Yeah,
he put a couple of Gibbs songs on his album. So they were good friends. I mean, that's quite a feather in your cap, you know.
Yeah.
When you make it on Chris Christopherson's album, jeez. But anyway, Gib was a great guy. We love him. We miss him. He passed away about 6-7 years ago, and One of the biggest songs he wrote was a song called Big Bayou, not to be confused with Blue Bayou, but he wrote this song called Big Bayou, and Rod Stewart had heard it somewhere, because a few people cut it, and said, man, I like that. He cut it, and that album, I think, went double or triple platinum, and made a whole bunch of money on that one song, and he never gave me a penny, nothing. What happened? Oh, John.
He gave Susan money.
Yeah, he gave everybody else money but me. Anyway, but I love Gib to this day. And if Paul Marshall was here with us, he would sing that song for you. Big Bayou. We do it quite often. So and River People, the other one. Paul does that one too. Anyway, Ann, we love you. Have a great time. And I'll be seeing you. I'll probably be the one driving you to the airport. Lucky me. Yeah.
You just volunteered yourself in public.
Well, they already had it planned out. Okay, folks.
One more last chance.
Okay, one more last
One, two,
after this, you'll do
one,
it.
Well, she was standing at the front door. I came home last night. Good book in the left hand, rolling pin in the right. Says you come home for the last time, whiskey on your breath. You're gonna listen to my preaching, I'm gonna be half a day. Give me just one more last chance before you stay with her. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. Just a good old boy, none running around on you. There's just one more last chance before you stay with her. First she hit my glasses, she knows that I can't see. Said you ain't going nowhere, boy, spend a little time with me. When my friends call from my honky tonk, there's a party going on around here. She may hit my car keys, she forgot about my old John Deere. Give me just one more last chance before you stay with her. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. Good old boys making noise, running around on you. We just one more last chance before you stay with her.
Well, you guys ruined that song. You were supposed to play a lot longer.
And you were supposed to all.
Blue and broken-hearted me, I'm holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. And I never felt so down and out, and I never felt so all without. since you've been gone. No matter who I try to be, it's blue, broken-hearted me. Swan! And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue and broken-hearted me. And I never felt so down and out. I lost my pick, but I picked it up. Never felt so all without. Susie, I love you. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue, broken-hearted me. I'm gonna play it again. Do the Barney Kessel thing.
Do it again.
Thank you, folk. Anyway, I can do that all night. Hey, now, wait a minute. This is my show. Don't be copying me like that. Dan, you want to sing a song? I've kept you waiting long enough. What do we got?
We're going to do a Chuck Berry song.
I love that. What is it?
Well, Memphis.
Oh, that's good.
An E. Any tempo you want. The Johnny Rivers.
Long distance information. Give me Memphis, Tennessee.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good, too. Go ahead.
Dinger, dinger,
What do you want it to?
dinger.
Okay.
1, 2, I want to do.
Long distance information. Give me Memphis, Tennessee. Help me find a party that tried to get in touch with me. She could not leave a number, but I know who placed the call, 'cause my uncle took the message and he wrote it on the wall. Well, help me information, get in touch with my Marie. She's the only one who'd call me here from Memphis, Tennessee. Her home is on the south side, high upon a ridge, just half a mile from the Mississippi Bridge. she was waving me goodbye, with her home drops on her cheek that trickled from her eye. But we were pulled apart because her mom did not agree, and tore apart our happy home in Memphis, Tennessee. Help me information, more than that I cannot add. Only that I miss her and all the fun we had. Marie is only 6 years old. The information, please. Try to put me through to her in Memphis, Tennessee.
Memphis, man. And you know what? I think he played like he might have played a 335 most of the time on those kind of songs.
It was a very similar guitar.
Yeah.
It was either a
45 or a 35.
45.
Yeah, it was like.
I don't think it was 335.
It wasn't a Telecaster, I know that.
I think that is actually one of the best songs ever written. Best rock and roll songs. Oh, it's like a movie. It's got plot turns. It's got plot twists. It's got a surprising ending. It's the best.
You know, another one is Promised Land, though. Takes you for a nice ride.
Yeah, that's a good one too.
Promised Land tells you.
What do you know? It's Memphis.
So we're arguing over what the best Chuck Berry rock and roll song was written. Obviously, Johnny B. Good was the most copied opening
Guitar
to
lick,
any
yeah.
guitar lick. I think it's the most famous ever. Every kid in the world learned to play it, and it's a great lick. And they were just trying to decide whether that song he just did, Memphis, or Promised Land might have been two of his best as far as telling a story goes. And the only other one that told a better story was a song called Too Much Monkey Business.
You want to know something? That was his biggest hit.
What? No, I bet it was.
It was Monkey
Was
Business.
it really? I did not know that.
Yeah.
Monkey Business?
Yeah.
Too much. Chuck, we love you.
Sounds
All
like
right,
you
so,
did some monkey business on that guitar.
Swan, do another one.
Okay, only if you promise not to hit the guitar on the mic.
Well, I keep, my telly has one knob. I turn the volume down. So those little, you don't hear. This got like 4 knobs. I haven't played it. I don't even know which one turns it down. Anyway, go ahead. I like playing it, though. I'm having fun. Me. What key?
Thousands of fans wrote in and told me not to play this, so I'm going to play this.
What key are you going to play it in?
Key.
There's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. And here's the key to the new car in the drive. And before you leave our room, put on your best perfume. You're gonna do me wrong, we'll do it right. Next time when the phone rings, I won't answer it. I don't want to be the fool I was tonight. I don't want to know the truth. then walk right out that door and end it all tonight. Take off your wedding band when it takes you by the hand. If you're gonna do me wrong, well, do it right. If you're gonna break my heart all to pieces, then walk right out that door. Let's end it all tonight. Take off wedding band when it takes you by the hand. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right.
Did you
You know,
say Jerry or Gary?
Swan, if I could sing like that, I'd sing more. I'll tell you, I love the way you sing. Jerry, you too. You guys got good voices. Dan, you and I are in trouble. That's all I'm gonna say.
You know, Chuck Berry heard me sing that
Yeah,
song in Memphis. You know what he said?
Yeah.
He said, "Don't do that."
Yeah, don't do that to me ever again. Anyway, so what time is it?
Party time.
It's Miller time.
Come on, party time. Bob Smith Toyota, remember what old Bob says?
Go ahead.
He'd give them away.
But his wife won't let him. Bam! I love that.
That's a good line.
It's so true.
Isn't that a good line? I mean, it's a lie, but it's a good line.
Jerry, do another one.
All right. All right, I'm going to do one in B flat. Going to do a little shuffly kind of thing in B flat. I'm not even going to tell you what it is. You got to figure it out as you go.
I always am.
Pretty arrogant to be calling that B flat.
I've got 3 minutes.
I could have called B natural, but I'm B flat. Hang on the one until all the excitement starts.
Oh, okay.
A 1, 2, 3. Well, you made me cry when you said goodbye. Ain't that a shame? My tears felt like rain. Ain't that a shame? You're the one to blame. Oh, well, goodbye. I'll cry, ain't that a shame? My tears felt like rain. Ain't that a shame? Well, you broke my heart when you said we'll part. Ain't that a shame? My tears fell like rain. Ain't that a shame? You're the one to blame. Ain't that right, Gary? Ain't that right? You're the one to blame. You want to play more? Although I'll cry, ain't that a shame? My tears fell like rain. Ain't that a shame? You're the one to blame.
What a group. Susie wants to say something, and when Susie wants to say something, she gets to say it. Go ahead. Not before you, Dan.
I believe there
wait.
was a very recent birthday in the audience.
There
Right?
is. What? Kathy.
Yes, birthday.
It's, when's your birthday? March 7th. Well, happy birthday, honey. And you bought a big card that we're going to sign. Okay. Well, bring it up here now. I want to sign it. Give me a pen. We're going to do it on the show here. Let me have that card.
Would like to remind everybody at home, now's the time to go get some popcorn refill. Or the restroom, whatever you want to. This reminds me of the time I was asked to sign the blue piano at the Chicago Blues Festival, and I signed it like this.
Oh, did you really? Good. Well, just sign it for her now, kind of small. Wait, she's got something else. What?
That was the only thing I had. Teresa Spanky sends her love to Jerry.
Who?
Teresa Spanky.
Oh, Teresa. Honey, I want you to come down and sing some country music with us. She was so good at that.
She's great.
I twisted her arm about 2 weeks ago.
Oh, get
made
her
her get
down
up
there.
and sing.
Your brother came down a couple of times, and man, was he great.
Yeah,
God,
Teddy.
He's such a good player and singer, and he's got his stuff down. I mean, he just gets right up and does it. He's easy to follow. He plays great. I love that family.
Those Spankies are good.
You know, Spanky, I met you before. I mean, Teresa, I met you before I met your brother. Teddy, yeah. I don't know the names. Anyway, I remember her. Yeah, don't confuse me with names, please. Okay, we all signed it. You know, the reason I did that on the show was because Kathy comes up every week. She always supports the band, as does Teresa. But, I mean, Kathy's here. It's her birthday. And I wanted everybody to see the respect we have for her. And so we all signed it on the show. So, Kathy, we love you. I wasn't going to let you wait till after the show so nobody would know about it. Would you write her a letter, or what are you doing? Just sign it. He's over here like he's thinking about it, you know. And remember the time when we...
Actually, this is the deed to your business. You just gave up the shop.
And there it is, folks, with the Wild Country Band signatures on it, and I'm sure many, many other friends. There you go, Kathy. Anything for you, sweetie. Thank you. Well, I think it feels loud, but when we're playing, it's not too loud.
Okay, what do we got?
I got a flat G string.
You should tune into our show last Wednesday, and where 5 of us tried to tune one guitar all night.
Don't let that fool you. We know how to tune. We just didn't do it that night.
That guitar does not ever want to be tuned.
I have 2 tuner apps on my phone, and neither one of them would work very well. One's made by Fender and one's made by Boss. And
Here
they
we go,
just
boys. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. They said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. I like that groove. I like that groove right there. Na 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 na. That's what you do when you forget the words. Frank Sinatra taught me that. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And that made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. And they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. And I thought he was a hero. I used to follow Clayton around. And I often wondered why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, he never took that guitar, made it down on Tennessee. Play us one. And I guess if I'd admit it, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned, just picking out the lovesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. And I know there's a lot of big preachers, and they know a lot more than I do. But it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. I don't usually do it that slow. Okay, what now, honey?
Monica Lambert in Canada.
Yeah.
Lambert.
Oh, Mike, get out. I love that. Kevin, isn't it? Who's Mike? Monica Lambert, yes. Oh, that's the mother of Kevin and Lexi. Oh, this is the greatest family. They used to come to all the Viva Cantina jam sessions. And this kid's funny. Kevin and his lovely wife, they just had a baby about a couple of years ago. And he comes up and plays a tully and does it really cool, like the chicken picking and all the bendy stuff, and we had more fun together. And then he says, my wife and I are playing a little duo thing at this Italian restaurant. Would you like to come? I said, oh, we'd love to come up and see you. So Sue and I go up there, and we walk in. Now, here's Kevin dressed in a tuxedo with a bow tie, with a classical guitar like that one right there. Gut string classical. You know, most of us players, when we sit down and play, we put it on our right knee. He's got the little foot stand. He's got it on his left knee.
Well, that's all.
Up in the air like this, like that. Very, very proper. And she's got a violin. I won't call it a fiddle because the way she plays it, it's a violin. And they got music in front of them, and they're doing like and he's doing all this classical Andre Segovia reading and all this. I had no idea how deep his musical roots were.
Thank her for me for not saying hello to me.
Yeah. But anyway,
How dare those
when
two.
Sue and I saw these guys play that stuff, we said, man, I don't even know this kid. Like, he played so great. We love you guys. Yeah, oh yeah, they would do country music. Like Jack, I got married.
Segovia to Johnny
Unbelievable.
And she
We're
did.
going to close the show. We're going to let Jerry McWhorter, because it's 7 o'clock right now, we're going to go over 4 or 5 minutes. Jerry, close the show. Jerry, I want to thank you so much for coming
very
down.
welcome.
And I love the symbol. I'll be honest with you.
Nobody else is allowed.
Very,
Make sure
nobody
that's
else
clear.
but you. You're
Nope,
right.
don't allow
well,
anybody.
You're
I'm
the
just
original
right
guy.
now.
I can't argue.
They're going
with
to play
you.
my drums. Those are my rules.
I couldn't agree more. That's why you're not hardly ever here. But anyway, come on.
All right, I'm going to
Closer.
do a little something in F because we haven't done enough little 2-beat kind of chicken picking thing. A little, just blues changes in F. Just hang on the 1. 1, 2, 2, 2. Stay right there. Well, that mean old dirty Frisco and that low-down Santa Fe. Mean old Frisco and that low-down Santa Fe. 5. Well, that train took my baby, took my girl away. 1. Well, that mean old dirty Frisco and that low-down Santa Fe. Mean old Frisco and that low-down Santa Fe. Well, that train took my baby, took my girl away. Well, I sit a-crying as the train roll around a bend. Sit a-crying as the train roll around a bend. Well, that southbound took my baby, took her away again. Oh, get 'em, Carmondo, get 'em. Oh! train roll around a bend. See it all wandering as the train roll around a bend. Well, that southbound took my baby, took her away again. Play that piano. Should we let him do another one, Carmen? Should we let him do another one? All right, good. Carmen, me and you. Just me and Carmen, All right, Carmen, just sit on the one. Sit on the one for a second. The very first rock and roll song, many people say the very first rock and roll song was the mixture of blues and country music, which was Elvis doing That's All Right Mama. And that was written by a blues guy from Memphis, Tennessee, called Arthur Big Boy Crudup. This is the other hit he had. Mean Old Frisco was the other big hit he had. So he was there from the beginning. Well, that mean old dirty Frisco and that low down Santa Fe. Mean old Frisco and that low down Santa Fe. Well, that train took my baby, took my girl away. Turn it around. Well, that train took my baby, took my girl away. Sit right there on the one. It's all you, Carmen. You got it.
That's our show, folks. We had a lot of fun. Jerry, thank you so much for coming down. Come back soon, buddy, and bring that cymbal with you.
Yeah.
I love you, man. We'll see you up there in Ventura. Bye-bye, folks.